Hey there, today we're going to look at how to connect Zoom to Miro. So let's get started. First, open your Miro port. Over here, click the plus button on the left hand side of the screen. Then click on the option labeled Marketplace. After that, click on Browse More Integrations. Then use the search bar and type in Zoom. Over here, find the Miro for Zoom listing and click on it. Then click the button to connect. After that, log into your Zoom account. Then a permission window will appear. Over here, click on Allow this app to use my shared access permissions. Then choose Allow again. After that, Zoom will prompt you to open the Zoom Meetings app. Then follow the instructions and open your Zoom app. Over here, click the prompt to sign into Miro. Then click on the option to add and allow the Miro app for Zoom. After that, Zoom will prompt you to open the app again. Then choose a board from your available Miro boards. Over here, select the one you want and hit Embed Board. After that, go to My First Board or any board you've selected to work with. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.